Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Right, we are today doing basically tip runs because we have been stripping all the internals out of the front of the boat, which is underneath us down there. And it's basically below us here is a load of junk. So we've got to take Greenie the van over there, park it up alongside, and then fill it full of wood, take it to the tip. We end up having time to do more stripping out. Then, yeah, sound good?
Sound great.
Anything to add?
No.
All right, should we get on with it?
Yeah.
To be free, I was armed with a bomb, force so big to split the sun, wipe the earth with one shot.
Amazingly, we managed to fit all of the junk in the boat in the van in one go. Look at that, that is a very full van. We're now off to the tip to unload everything.
But first a coffee.
First a coffee.
Yeah.
Maybe a little biscuit.
We are going to have some lunch now because it's exhausting.
Pooped. Little update. I'd say that we've just done a big clean up, big tip load. We're going to go and do some more stripping out of the interior. What we're finding is that the first couple of days we did it, I was coughing a lot. With these old boats, when you strip out the interior, there's a lot of old fibres and old bits and pieces which get into the air. It makes me cough, so we're putting our masks on now. I didn't think we'd have to do that for stripping out. You just never know what's in the old walls. We're going to be well protected.
Yes.
Any thoughts?
I need to pee, but then I have to undress everything and it's just...
That is an issue with overalls, is peeing, but that's also otherwise known as laziness, Mariah. So, all right, back to work. Exciting times. We have just busted all the way through to the other side of the boat, so we now have space to walk through. Look at this. All the way through the boat, no more messing around with rooms. Look at that. Mariah's doing the important job of project managing.
So tired.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tiring day?
Tiring day.
I know. Manual labour for once in Mariah's life. Look. Just getting used to it. We took all the partition walls out and found all this rank white mould. There's quite a lot of rust underneath this windowsill here. But it sort of makes sense because this was broken for a long time. Everything under here is going to be quite wet and mouldy. Here was quite mouldy, so I'm expecting under here to be quite wet. All the more reason to justify our decision to rip the whole thing out and start from scratch, finding all these sort of mouldy wet spots. Well done, Mariah, for that decision.
Thanks.
Got about an hour left. You're just going to sit there and watch, are you?
Need 5 more minutes.
Yeah, 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes. 5.
5. I believe it when I see it. Okay. Back to it. End of the day, progress has been quite considerable. We have taken down the walls here. Mariah's still working hard. And we've taken off the side of the toilet, the old toilet shower room. We don't want to take this wall off yet because this wall is attached to the stairs until we figure out what we're going to do with them. That wall's probably going to stay for now. Everything here needs to come out still. And otherwise, it's good. Yeah, we've got a lot of exposed metal. Mariah's taking her frustrations out. How are you feeling, Mariah?
I'll be aggressive.
Yeah, you need to be aggressive. That's a good job for being aggressive, ripping out the ceiling. We are making progress, and it's also lovely to get a full idea of the space because our plan is to have a much more open living space in this boat than was here previously. It's really nice to sort of start to see the space materialising and get an idea of that. It's really exciting. Just some more rip out to do. Got to do all of the kitchen here. Then basically we're on to metalwork. Welding, stripping, painting, that sort of stuff. Doing well. Thinking about designs of the boat once we've finished. How about this? Open toilet? What do we think?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
How's the view from there?
I think it's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice. Very modern.
very modern.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.